Hey everyone, today's going to be a little bit different. I wanted to show you some pantyhose really fast and then I'm going to clean it in them just because I want to do it different this time. So here's the pantyhose that I'm going to be wearing while cleaning. I'm going to go try them on, but I wanted to mix it up. I found these really nice pantyhose not too long ago by a brand I like, Maryland. I've tried on one pair of their pantyhose before and I really loved them. So I found these very unique thong-shaped pantyhose. They're in the color Erotic. These are Erotic K07 20 denier. Here's the specifications here if you're interested. I got them off Amazon. You can always go find them too. I've got my broom, and next thing you know, I'll be in these. So I will see you guys in just a minute. Okay, we got some, it's a little chilly in here, so I have my sweater on, but we're going to be cleaning and picking up some stuff. We've got trash everywhere. We got trash, we got toys, got my put the control up somewhere. Everyone will see. Blankets. As you can tell, it was movie night. Gotta dig in the sides. Nothing else in there. Oh, I found a transformer. Oh, my son was actually looking for this one, so I actually found it. I feel like a great mom. He's gonna be excited when I give him that. Dirty dishes, toys. I have little piles. Got another dish here. We don't have a toy box up here, so I just get to gather them up. Throw them in a chair over here. So overall, I'm really liking these tights. They're really soft, and if you could see the lace top, there's a lace waistband for the thong part. It's super sexy, so I really hope you guys go check out the Patreon where you can see all that. I'm not folding this blanket because this isn't a blanket. Blankets on the big long part, more toys. Dishes. Important to check inside the cushions. Chewy bars. Oh, my light. I'm sorry, my light is so bright. Chewy bars inside the couch. Brand new chewy bars. Ow! Stepped on a toy. I found a quarter. Well, I think that's mostly all the trash. I guess a sweetener. You know, I have to get really down in there. Oh no. Anyway, that is it for today's video, I guess. I will see you guys. I love you, and until next time.